tell you. Yeah.
So when you go up here, when you go all the way over there, you can't even come back here. You will be missing Nair.
Okay, what can happen in there? What can happen in
You'll
there?
be missing forever.
Forever? Do you think so?
I'm glad I'm doing it right.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. You want to go first?
Dale.
You want to be missing? I will try.
Okay, we try.
Okay.
Somebody just got missing.
Okay, let's try.
His name is like Charles.
Seguimos.
Dale.
His name is Charles.
Charles? Who's Charles?
So she
He was missing right here? Oh my God, Charlie missing right here. Charlie was missing right here.
Mama.
Who was missing?
Charlie.
Charlie? Okay.
So she go over there, but her parents is
Okay, which way we?
La barriguita para adentro.
Which way?
Estírate. Bien.
Otra posición con
Charlie went over there?
yeah, but her family is right there.
Okay.
So that's why when she got missing, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay,
So
where?
parents is looking for over there,
Okay.
and then Charlie just look over there. But when she got here, the family is not right.
Okay, let's go this way. Do you want a tour? We can see this is a corn. This is a cornfield.
No la puedes coger, imagínate.
And then we're gonna get it.
Todo.
And she finds this so
Okay. Now which way we going?
I gotta be.
Charlie did go over there. Charlie did go over there, and her parents did go.
Okay, so it's this way. Okay.
I know.
We're gonna follow you to the end of this.
¿Para dónde?
Okay, ahora we have 3 ways to go. We can go left, we can go right, or we can go straight. Which one we wanna go?
So her dad is right there, and her mom is right there. Her dad and her mom was missing, and Charlie just go over there. But she saw her dad first, but not her mom.
Not her mom. So we go straight. So what? Okay. Ella tiene una historia.
Okay, I go this way.
What?
I go the other way.
Okay, which way now?
So her mom is right there, and Charlotte and her dad was right there.
Okay.
And her mom just got back here, and they go right straight right there, but her mom didn't even see her daughter.
Okay,
He only see her husband.
Oh, her husband? Not her daughter. If we go that way, we only see the husband, not the daughter. So this way we can see the daughter?
But now the family just fight them. They fight her daughter, so...
Oh, they find the daughter? So,
Okay, ya la encontraron. Sigue.
okay, seguimos.
Her daughter just
Dale.
go right here. So her daughter can't go over there, but daughter go over here.
Okay.
Ya.
She go over here.
Okay.
Vamos a perder. Se perdieron. Ana, se perdieron. Los papás se perdieron, hay que buscarlos.
Ella está ahí.
¿A dónde?
Ahí.
Ah,
So Charlotte just go over there, and her daddy and mom just sorry they go right over there, but that is not her daughter. That wasn't her.